Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into GReward app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded GReward app. Open up the app. And here you can see Continue with Google option. Click on it. Select the Google account that you want to sign in with. Then tap on Continue. Here you'll have to enter your age and gender. Then click on Continue button. And that is how you can log into GReward app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.